we want to use Putexcel command. Okay, so what we'll do is, let me start with this one before we go to the actual Putexcel command. So we'll do some regression analysis on our dataset, and then we'll return list so that we see what we have extracted from our regression, and then we'll see the matrix. We can create a new matrix known as results for the coefficients table, and then we can matrix list this result to see what is in this matrix, and then we can call these entries from this matrix now into Excel using Putexcel. Okay, let me first run this one before we go further. So if we go here, what if as you can see, let me start from here. So we start from this one, the regression we've run. So here run regression analysis, that's this one. So we want to create an Excel sheet of regression results from the table. Okay, so first we've done the regression. So this regression we've done over table, and then we've got the coefficients table. This coefficients table at the bottom is what is referred to as the table. When we use our table, it will keep all this. Okay, what I mean is, if we return list, we'll see for the ANOVA table that we had here, the degrees of freedom, all these root mean square, F value, residual sum square, mean square, all these ones, the count, what they will be scalars here, and then we've got the some macros we're going to be using there to autocomplete our statements, but we also have the matrices here. So I'm telling the EB, the coefficients matrix, the V is the various matrix. Okay, but this one, the E matrix, if we assign it to, if we create a matrix results and say other table, then it will make that matrix, it will keep in the memory. So it will be transposed. You can see that. Then this one for the coefficients interval, what we're saying is we use the macro. So when we use the macro, the lower limit, lower coefficient limit, and the upper coefficient limit, they will take the 5, 1, and then 6, 1 respectively from that matrix that I think I showed you already, and display them as 3 decimal places, and then concatenate. We create another macro, this one above for this one, to concatenate these two above in such a way that you have the the brackets, opening bracket, parentheses, and the closing bracket, and then you take the macro which was above there, the lower limit, put it here, and the upper limit, put it there, select with a comma, and then with a space here, one space, and then you put Excel now here. Then you take this concatenated macro and put it here. So if you run this one here, for example, it has run this one, run. So if you see, yes, it has run, it has concatenated the macros. Let us see what is happening there. So if we go here, go into our Excel, you can see that now what it has done. I can change these ones to 18, yeah. Then I can do like that, and then as I did before, so you can see like that. Yeah, so if you can see what's happening, I put the border at the bottom. You can see that now border, this border here at the bottom. You can see on the, that's what I was saying, 12 up to D12.